Welcome back to another episode of Speak Like a Pro. In this episode, let's understand how to talk about workload, deadlines, and pending tasks professionally. Let's listen to a conversation between two colleagues and pick up some useful professional expressions that we can use at work. Hey, good morning, Divya. How are you doing?
Hey Nisha, good morning. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you. How was your day yesterday?
It was quite a busy day, but I managed to get through it.
What about today? Do you have a lot on your plate?
Yes, I do. I have two critical tasks pending that I was supposed to complete yesterday, but I couldn't get to them because of my heavy workload. I also have a couple of meetings this morning, and I need to send proposals to three clients by the end of the day.
Sounds like you're going to have a hectic day. Is everything on track?
So far, so good. I think I should be able to get everything done on time.
That's good to hear. I hope everything goes smoothly.
Thanks. I hope so too.
Did you notice how many useful expressions they used to talk about workload and deadlines? Let's take a closer look at them. Divya said it was quite a busy day. Here, quite means fairly or rather. So, when we have had a particularly busy day, we can say it's been quite a busy day. Divya then said, I managed to get through it. We use manage to when we succeed in doing something, especially when it isn't easy. And get through something can mean successfully dealing with a difficult or demanding situation. For example, it was a challenging week, but I managed to get through it. Nisha asked, do you have a lot on your plate? Here, we aren't talking about food. When we have a lot on our plate, we have many tasks or responsibilities to deal with. For example, I have a lot on my plate this week. This is a very useful expression when we talk about workload. Divya said, I have two critical tasks pending. A critical task is particularly important or requires immediate attention. And when a task is pending, it is still waiting to be completed. For example, I still have a few critical tasks pending. Another useful professional expression is heavy workload. A heavy workload means having a large amount of work to deal with. For example, I couldn't complete the report yesterday because of my heavy workload. Notice the expression heavy workload rather than big workload. Divya also said, I need to send proposals to three clients by the end of the day. Here, the useful expression is by the end of the day. When we talk about deadlines, we use this expression. It means no later than the end of that day. For example, could you send me the report by the end of the day? Nisha said, sounds like you're going to have a hectic day. A hectic day is an extremely busy day with a lot happening. For example, I have had a hectic day at work. Nisha then asked, is everything on track? When something is on track, it is progressing according to plan. We often use this expression when we talk about projects, deadlines, and targets. For example, are we still on track to meet the deadline? And Divya replied, so far, so good. We use this expression when things have been going well up to the present moment. For example, how is the project going? So far, so good. Let's quickly review the expressions we learned today. Quite a busy day, managed to get through it, a lot on your plate, critical tasks pending, heavy workload, by the end of the day, a hectic day, on track, So far, so good. Now it's your turn. Imagine your colleague asks, "Do you have a lot on your plate today?" How would you respond? Try using at least two expressions from today's conversation.
If you find these professional expressions useful and would like to learn more workplace English through real conversations, subscribe to our channel. We'll continue bringing you practical expressions that you can use confidently in professional situations.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Speak Like a Pro.